Which oil wins on clarity, color, and high heat power? Let's compare fast. Algae oil, ultra clear, pale gold. Highest smoke point up to 535 degrees Fahrenheit. Olive oil, green gold, more opaque. Extra virgin olive oil smokes lower. Canola oil, light yellow, refined neutral. Avocado oil, bright yellow-green, refined is very heat stable. Algae oil looks extra clear and light, great when a neutral look and flavor matter. Olive ranges from green to golden. Extra virgin olive oil. Natural compounds add color and character. Canola stays pale and neutral for everyday cooking. Refined avocado holds a rich yellow-green but stays clean in the pan. Algae oil, up to 535 degrees Fahrenheit, the highest in this lineup. Avocado refined, about 480-520 degrees Fahrenheit, excellent for searing. Canola, roughly 400-446 degrees Fahrenheit, solid daily driver. Olive, extra virgin olive oil, about 350-410 degrees Fahrenheit, refined 390-470 degrees Fahrenheit, choose by use. Pick algae or refined avocado for top heat searing and deep frying. Canola for versatile, neutral, everyday cooking. Olive for flavor-forward dishes or refined olive for higher heat. Which bottle gets the front row spot in your kitchen? Clarity, flavor, or max heat? Comment your go-to oil and follow for more quick kitchen science.